Okay, so we're here in the Inspired to Make space. Igor is going to explain what we're doing, actually, because I don't actually know yet. He's kind of surprising me with what's going on. So what's the deal?
We're gonna make stuff today, you know? I like to work with different materials, and one of my favorite materials is leather. It's amazing stuff to work with.
Cool.
Today we are making a bicycle bag out of leather. It will be awesome, glamorous, maybe like a Gucci or Louis Vuitton style bag at the back of your seat, right here. So I want this bag to fit a cell phone, keys, or maybe some like bicycle tools. So this is the goal. So we need to retrofit something that goes right here. Trick is to work with leather, just basically a flat paper. You design with paper first. You just do your mock-up on paper. You can cut your paper, make like little stencils for yourself, put it together, see how it works. Idea behind this design, it's leather, but there will be no sewing involved, only screws. So we can put it from like 3 pieces. Super simple. You can replicate it from different materials, not only leather, maybe you can make it out of plastic as well. Actually, it will be an awesome idea. Kydex would be awesome for this. But with the Kydex, you have to heat bend the elements. So it will be vertical like this. Will be one piece of leather that goes around. This from the side, like this. And the walls are going to be like separate pieces, and everything mounted together with screws. So let's start cutting stuff. Let's start making stuff. So I'm gonna put it this away, and a first prototype I'm gonna make out of paper. I still have like a vague idea how big this thing should be, and prototyping out of paper will save us time and money and actual expensive material.
Oh, is that the new knife from the video?
It is. Like, look at this.
It's almost like I've seen that in a video somewhere before, related to like DIY.
And this, look at this lanyard. You can.
Look at this lanyard. I can't believe it. Is that real bullet case?
It is, yeah. And it's a real bullet as well. And if you want one of those, you can buy it on inspiredtomake.com/shop.
Oh, dude,
Okay, let's
now actually get to work here. Seriously.
What? Oh, like, oh,
Get to work, man.
Get to work. This thing to be tapered towards the bottom.
Yeah.
So, and just sketching out the taper. It's going to be made out of like a solid piece of leather that wraps around itself like this, with a pocket open in this.
Dude, that looks awesome. It's a hipster dream. It's a hipster dream, honestly.
Yeah.
Are you gonna use it? Of course you are. You have to.
I'm gonna give it to you.
What?
I'm gonna give it to you.
You're gonna give it to me?
Yes. Or we can make a giveaway for your subscribers.
Oh my god, that would be actually a good
All you
idea.
need to do is to subscribe to your channel and my channel.
And to inspire to make, and then we perfect, then we make magic together. Okay, dude, that's an awesome idea. I'm so freaking stoked.
And give it away. Here's the design I came up with. This is our layout. We're gonna cut out of leather as three main pieces, and like will be like a small one as well to connect it to the bicycle pole. Super simple. That's all you need to do. Just like find like a stiff leather that you can cut this design out of. Let's transfer to the leather. Everything cut in leather. We're gonna do a rough assembly of our pouch right now, and then we're gonna finish it with leather dye and leather finish.
We did it. It's done. Look, proof is in the pudding. That took us, and by us I mean Igor. This took Igor basically 8 hours today. 8 hours of non-stop work to create this final product.
But with shooting.
And we shot the whole thing, yeah. So it made it a little bit longer, but I mean, generally this was a huge project undertaken one day.
No, it's not.
Well, for me it is. I don't know, I'm impressed. He does this all the time.
I'm saying like, I made it like under an hour. This is a very cool design. It does not require any sewing. It's just bolt assembly. Super simple pattern. You can download the pattern. Check out the link in the description. It will be like a link to the pattern. You can make one for yourself. And surprise, we're gonna give this away.
This is the final product, and we have decided that instead of me putting this on my bicycle, we're gonna give you the opportunity to win this nice little cell phone bag for your bicycle. So all you need to do is follow Inspire to Make, follow Levi Hildebrand,
Subscribe, you mean?
All you need to do is subscribe to both of our channels and leave a comment on this video and the correlating video that I have on my channel as well, and you'll be entered into the contest. And you could win this bag. You could take it home slap it on your bicycle, and ride away into the sunset.
And make.